The market looks calm today, no panic, no celebration, but in global finance, calm is rarely neutral. Today, money didn't rush, it repositioned. U.S. markets opened slightly higher today, with major indices moving cautiously as investors prepare for a critical week ahead. There's no euphoria in the air, and no fear either. This kind of market behavior usually appears when investors are waiting, not for headlines, but for confirmation. Behind the scenes, portfolios are being adjusted quietly, ahead of central bank signals and major earnings reports. There were no dramatic rate announcements today, no emergency meetings, no press conferences shaking the market, and yet, the message remains clear: money is not getting cheaper. Central banks continue to signal patience, but patience at elevated levels. Borrowing remains expensive, liquidity remains tight for households, businesses, and investors. This environment rewards discipline, not speed. While stock markets stayed calm, gold told a different story. Gold continues to trade near record levels, not in panic, but in preparation. Historically, this behavior suggests one thing: capital is quietly hedging risk, not because something has broken, but because uncertainty is building beneath the surface. Crypto markets were unusually quiet today. No dramatic surges, no sharp sell-offs. Bitcoin and major digital assets continue to consolidate, holding range levels that often precede larger moves in past cycles. This kind of silence has been dangerous, not because of fear, but because of complacency. Away from Wall Street, financial pressure continues to build quietly. Rising costs, tax deadlines, and tighter credit conditions are having a slow but steady impact on households across developed economies. These aren't headline-grabbing events, but historically, small financial stresses destroy more wealth than market crashes. Today wasn't about drama, it was about positioning. Markets didn't scream, they whispered. Gold stayed strong, rates stayed high, crypto stayed quiet. And when all three move like this, at the same time, it usually signals one thing: the next phase is being prepared quietly. This is the kind of financial moment most people only understand in hindsight. At Capital Lux, we watch it in real time. Subscribe if you want calm, intelligent financial insight before the noise arrives.